friends, this is Deepak from TechVex Research and Innovation Services. Welcome to our channel. Today the research topic that I'm going to cover is basically the drowsiness detection. This application that we have designed, that is a real-time application which is capturing the frames from the camera, which I'm going to demonstrate to you in few minutes. And by developing some algorithm at the back end, the recent algorithm, we have used the Huffman transformation, image processing models, and the machine learning models for the classification of the face features, the drowsiness points, each and everything. So for that we have designed this model. In this particular model we have done the whole code in the MATLAB by using the internal libraries of the MATLAB. So let's have a look that what exactly it is doing. So when I'm going to run this, the very first thing is we need a person who will be there in front of the camera, which will be under the surveillance. So you can see on the screen that how it is detecting about the drowsiness. For that, the algorithms those we have designed, for those you can contact us directly, or can get the details also. So let's have a look what exactly we have done. So I'm going to run this code. So as you can see, currently as the system is not showing the frame exactly. So now as you can see, the person is there on the frame, and the eyes and the mouth features are extracted, which are processed at the back end by using the algorithm. So when the person is going to close its eye, or the kind of drowsiness is detected over there with the person, the drowsiness detected signal is given. Even the mouth is going to open. It is kind of, see, you can see the drowsiness detected is shown over there. Light is also an important factor. So currently where I am demonstrating my work, there is a more light, so might be in some of the cases it is showing that it is all okay, but you can see when the person is closing his eyes, it is kind of drowsiness, and there the signal is detected, the drowsiness detected, right? So I'm going to close this demonstration. So for that we have designed one of the algorithm by using the Huffman transformation, and along with that also done the modification in that, because the previous models also worked by using the Huffman models. So as an advancement, we have used the machine learning algorithms to firstly extract the face features, then the particular model is designed by using the advanced algorithm, and we are working here not only on the eyes but also with the mouth. So the both features are collaborative, taking the decision that whether the person in front of the camera is having the drowsiness or not. Even we have done this with the hardware real-time application also. So for more details you can contact us and can get the details for the particular topic and can use it for the real-time applications. Thanks for watching the video. Have a